Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. This month, Amazon raises the price of Shiba Inus to $2. Today's Shib news. In the last 2 weeks, the price of Shiba Inus has been going down. Investors thought this was just a correction before a rise. According to a key sign, however, it looks like the meme coin may be about to let down its holders. We'll talk about how Amazon made Shiba Inu a $2 giant this month in this video. Bad news. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see more expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inus. Let's start the video right away. At $0.00001068, the price of a Shiba Inu can't break through the decline line it has been stuck under since the beginning of March. The downtrend line was first made when the meme coin fell back onto the charts after facing support at the 100-day exponential moving average. The relative strength measure, on the other hand, has been going up over the same time period. From the oversold area below 30.0, the indicator went up and has been going up towards the neutral line at 50.0, making an uptrend line. Putting together the price action and the movement of the RSI shows that a possible secret bearish divergence is taking shape. The Shiba Inu price could go down over the next few trading sessions if this trend stays the same. The meme coin would then fall to the important support level at $0.00000979, putting the currency at its lowest level in 2 months. If this support is lost, SHIB will fall even more to its lowest point in December 2022. This would mean that the price of the coin has dropped by 25%. Investors who just bought more than 43 trillion SHIB tokens in a week would lose a lot of money because of this. The number of tokens available on platforms has gone down by more than $475.5 million. In general, a drop in the quantity means that there is a short-term trend towards accumulation. This drop could also mean that people who own SHIB are moving their tokens from markets to a cold wallet. But there isn't much chance of that happening again because no one noticed such a drop when FTX crashed 4 months ago. Shiba Inu owners' decision is strange because earlier this week the network saw its biggest losses since June 2021. The total number of coins moved on-chain showed losses of almost $575 million SHIB. This amounts to less than $62,000, but on-chain it means big loses. Shiba Inu's price could fall to its lowest point in December 2022 if the bearish divergence holds. This would mean that SHIB buyers would lose even more money than the rest of the network. Shiba Inu's new Layer 2 scaling answer was made by a group of people who say the protocol is meant to make transactions quick and cheap. According to new public records, Shibarium. Its beta version came out earlier this month, and it wants to achieve true decentralization by making a system with low or no transaction fees. Shytoshi Kazuma, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, said that Shibarium will give low transfer fees for all projects built on the Layer 2 protocol. He said that the goal is to process transactions in seconds for less than pennies. Shibarium wants to be a safe, open, and expandable blockchain that can be used as a foundation for new projects. It has been called the blockchain of the people. The blockchain makes sure that making and trading digital goods is safe and open to everyone. Aside from that, it's used as a base for the creation of decentralized applications, or dApps, like Shib, the Metaverse, Shib.io, Shiba Eternity, and many other Shiba Inu-related goods, projects, platforms, and services. The public material also gives us more information about how Shibarium burns. The document says that the burn process will start working when the protocol has a certain amount of Bone Shiba swap. This token will be used to pay for Shibarium's gas. The base fee is locked on a Shibarium contract and a user makes a transaction on the network. The priority fee is paid to the validator. This base fee will be split into 2 parts, 70% will be spent, and 30% will be saved to keep the network running. Users can start the burn process from Shibarium once they have collected a certain amount of bone, which is $25,000. Shiba Inu is now worth $0.00000111, which is a little less than it was 24 hours ago. In the last 24 hours, the price of a Shiba Inu has dropped by 0.5% to $0.00001054. This happened on a day when the market as a whole didn't move much. It has gone up 8% since its 30-day low of $0.00000973, which is where it is now. The meme token has also made a huge 30% gain since the beginning of the year. The beta start of the Shibarium Layer 2 network was earlier this month. In the coming weeks, especially when the L2 goes live to the public, Shib looks like it will build on its early growth. Shib's 30-day moving average and relative strength index have been falling over the past few days, which suggests that it might start to rise again soon. Its RSI went up to 40 after going down to 30 earlier in the month, which means it was oversold. In the same way, its 30-day average is almost below its 200-day average. This means that the altcoin will likely rise again soon. Shib has had trouble getting past $0.000011 several times in the last 2 weeks, which is a key resistance mark. If it can finally break through this level, more price increases are likely to follow, though Shib will probably need the market as a whole to also start recovering at the same time. Still, Shibarium is still being rolled out and is now live in test form. This could mean that the token sees more gains soon, especially when the Layer 2 network goes live to the public. Shibarium has a lot of good things going for it. One is technical, and the other is economic. To begin, the Layer 2 network will lower transaction fees and boost Shiba Inu's capacity, which will make it safer and more decentralized. The second, Shiba Inu's burn rate will also go up when the L2 comes out, as 70% of the base transaction fee will be lost. To put it another way, Shibarium will make it harder to get Shib, which will raise the price of the coin and its related demand. This effect will be stronger because Shibarium's improvements in efficiency will bring more people to the Shiba Inu community and its apps. This will lead to more burns and a rise in Shib's price. Because of this, Shib's price might slowly go up over the course of the year. The start of Shib the Metaverse will help this process along. The second one is a Shiba Inu themed virtual world where people can buy, explore, and trade 100,595 NFT-based lands and a lot of in-game things. The team behind the platform has big plans for it. On its official website, it's called The Future of Entertainment, Business, and Gaming all rolled into one. When combined with Shibarium, it could mean a huge rise in desire for Shib, which could go up and down the gears and get to higher levels. In fact, Shibarium alone is likely to drive Shib up to between $0.000015 and $0.00002. When Shib the Metaverse finally comes out, it could drive it even higher, to $0.00005 or even $0.0001 by the end of 2023. People are looking forward to Amazon's move into the NFT and Web3